all, welcome again for another Instagram Live. We have people watching in the back, sorry about that. Next to me are standing Pauline and Satomi, and they will explain something about their project Craft Portrait of Dorozome. And it's a beautiful story, so please share it with us.
Thank you so much. Maybe it's nice to start with Dorozome as a technique itself.
Dorozome is a Japanese traditional mud-dyeing technique, which is originated from an island located in Japan, and the technique is usually used for kimono production, and the technique is required more than 85 steps to reach to the very dark intense color like this, and then they repeatedly dye. The fabric is repeatedly dyed with tree bark extract and mud.
Yeah, you can see the tree bark extract is really this reddish tone. So you start with this and then you bring it to the mud field. So you have an oxidation process happening. So it gradually becomes, as Satomi mentioned, a super repetitive process of going back and forth until you reach this black. We went to Amami Oshinacraftsmen, the island ourselves actually, for 3 weeks, where we could dye the whole textiles for the installation and also come in contact with the artisans, because what we wanted to do is have a very collaborative project with them. That's also where we did the research video that you can see in the corner, and also we published a research book where we collect all the interviews from all the artisans, so also have some extra input about their relationship to the craft and to the island, to natural resources, etc.
Okay, and how did you find this technique? Did you already know about it, or did you find out in some way?
You knew about it, right?
Yeah, I already knew this technique because I like kimono as well. But also, on the other hand, Pauline is a textile designer, so our interest was very matched, and then decided to start research on Dorozome.
Nice. And what did inspire you to create this project?
So I think at the core of it is the idea of color and understanding color as a material, really. Like for us, this project really changed how we understand color. So not something that is purely visual, but something that requires time, steps, energy, and it's really this add-on, or like you understand color as a material, really. I think for us, what is important and what you find also back in the installation is this idea of a rhythm. So it turns in one direction and then in the other. For us, having the installation twist was very important because it also reminds the movements of the dyeing. So we wanted this movement presence to be present again in the installation as we experienced it, of course a bit different, but as we experienced it on the island.
Great. And what are your plans with this? Because you were already saying you made a video, a book about it, now you have the installation here. What do you want to do with this project in the future?
So for now, I think it's a lot about getting it out there, because we really want people to know more about the craft, but also about the thinking or the method behind it, because it's a different link to material production, it's a different link to geographical situation, to the time required to create goods. So I think there's a lot to learn from the artisans' spirit.
It's still we're the first phase to research on, but for the future we would like to dive into more dynamic collaboration with artisans.
Okay. Well, it sounds really nice. We will keep an eye out for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see all these beautiful colors in real life, visit Kaserne during Dutch Design Week or after, and have a nice day.